Hey guys, I'm going to show you a way I get my lashes big. So I've already done the first sort of step, which is with the 3D fibre lash, obviously, a gel fibre gel. So I've got one coat on, so I've got my base there. And now, second coat. So when you are building, you don't want to build from the root because that's where it will build up and clump. So with the gel, I just tap the outer of my lashes and over. So you see I'm just getting the gel on the tips here on both sides of my eyelashes. Next, fibres. And again, just tap a few on the outer and then I leave it. I don't seal it just yet, and I do the other eye. So again, just up and over end of the eyelashes, not the root. Fibres. I always go back down over so it kind of straightens them out. Right, so now, yes, I have lots of fibres on my eyelashes. I use a hairdryer. Now this is purely for layering and getting that falsy effect. Not day to day, so it would take ages, wouldn't it? So hairdryer, quick rub. Looks ridiculous, doesn't it? But you can already see that they're building, and I haven't even sealed it yet. Right, so I'm going to do another round. So sealing the fibres that I've put on, but preparing the lashes with the gel for the next lot of fibres. So again, just on the very tips, you want that gel. Yeah. And then fibres, always wiggle it in the tube so you get the excess off. I'll just roll it there, no fluffy bits. And again, just tap. That's all you need to do, is just a little tap just to get them on the tips of your eyelashes. And again, I just leave that to sit so that they can set on my eyelashes. I do the other eye. These bad boys. Look at them big. And then again, some fibres. Don't know why I'm talking like that. Right. So you see they're starting to attach. And then another blast with the hairdryer. Right, I think you get the gist. So now this is my last. I'm not going to layer again, but if you want to, you can keep going, but I don't want to bore you with the same process. But just make sure when you've finished, you do seal with the gel again, okay? So just be gentle so you don't end up tugging and pulling the fibres off. We do also use that, so if you get anything that's built up or a clump somewhere, use the comb, job done. And that, my darlings, that is it. So you can see I've got some eyelashes. Look. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.